I was sitting there and I was at a little place at the top of Melbourne in a place called Little Collins Street. It's a lovely sort of little, very old world part of Melbourne. And I was at a place called Quist's Coffee, which is one of the oldest coffee roasters in Melbourne. And the owner and I are still very good friends. And I sat down and I ordered a cup of coffee. And I never had a latte. I'd never had a latte before in my life. Okay, so at that moment I had a latte. And the flavours of licorice and chocolate and these flavours that just resonated with me. They went in my nose, down the back of my throat. They just, all of a sudden, it was like, you know, meeting an old friend. You just like, wow, what is this? And so from that moment, coffee really captivated me. And I think that's the same about a lot of people in Melbourne. We weren't necessarily coffee drinkers, but we had all of this culture that came from all of the other people that travelled to Australia. Because in reality, there really are no real Australians. There are the indigenous people of the country, and there are the people that came here as migrants. So in our culture in Australia, it is a combination of all of the people that have come to our country. And in many ways, I feel very fortunate for that, because that is really the genesis of where the Melbourne coffee scene started. It was a Jewish culture, it was Czechs, and Poles, it was Italians, as I said, Greeks, Armenians, to people from everywhere who engage with their coffee as they have it in their families and their cultures. But we're here today to talk about how I think the Melbourne coffee scene evolved and why and how. And so part of it is a little bit of a conspiracy theory, and it's not all happy, right? But sometimes out of adversity, beautiful things happen and things grow. So, who's familiar with the Alliance for Coffee Excellence? Who knows Cup of Excellence? Who's ever been to a Cup of Excellence cupping before? Is anyone familiar with it? Right, well let me tell you a little bit about it. So, the Alliance for Coffee Excellence first started in 1999 with a Best of Brazil auction. And so what the Alliance for Coffee Excellence was there to do was to promote the best coffee that was coming out of a lot of countries. Right? So this was the beginning of specialty. What people were trying to do is to say, hey, not all Brazil coffee tastes like caramel and nuts. Okay? There's some different stuff here, and there's identity to the people that grow it. And if you get it from over here with a certain altitude and a certain processing method, it tastes really different to the people from over there. So the Alliance for Coffee Excellence was one of the first announcements that came up on people's radar. And it was there to promote identity in coffee, quality in coffee, and the knowledge of what is special about coffee. And then for people to take that and then go back and then share it with their own cultures.